Hi, I'm Joan Lok. For the holiday seasons, let's have some fun. We are going to paint a squirrel munching on a pumpkin. Every year, I put pumpkin in my front door, and before you know it, they have all these little bite marks because the squirrel is getting to them. So I started painting the squirrel eating my pumpkin and having workshops on them. So for the holiday seasons, to keep the tradition, I'm going to have the virtual workshop of drawing a squirrel munching on a pumpkin. So this is a fun workshop. We will, as in all my workshop on animals, will explain the anatomy of the squirrel, how to use various brushwork to depict the fur, ear, facial structures. And after that, we'll also work on how to draw a pumpkin in a very interesting and stylistic way and put them together into a pumpkin and a squirrel. So this is a workshop for adult and young artists alike. So bring your young friends and join us in this fun workshop for the holidays, Sparrow and Pumpkin. I hope to see you. Bye-bye.